Hey, what's up? It's Mike Icee. If you have a Mercedes-Benz W212 E350, we're talking about around 2010 to 2015, and you're getting a front suspension noise that sounds a little bit like this. Okay, sounds a little bit like this. What I found it to be is actually the sway bar linkage, okay? And you can see on one side, this side is good, and then on this side, is the noise side, okay? So it's actually really easy to replace. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step, just in case, or not really fully step by step. I'm gonna show you what's involved to change it. Make sure you have to lift the vehicle so that both of the front wheels are off the ground, okay? When you do that, there's no tension on the sway bar linkage, okay? Okay, so it's held on by one nut there and one nut there. Make sure both wheels are at the same height to make it easy to put back on. So we'll undo this one and then we'll undo that one right there. All right, guys, so that's pretty easy. I hope you learned something new. If you like this video, make sure you leave your brother a like, okay? Slam that like button for me.